Hello, everyone. What is Infinity Loops? Well, thank you for asking. Infinity Loops is a YouTube channel. Heads and OG, two micro lovers. They like the little guys just like I do, so we're kind of kindred spirits in that way. They make videos and they post them on YouTube. You'll find reviews. You'll find just regular old fun videos. You'll find flight edits that they've put together. You'll find racing. I think there's actually been a few Whoop Race vlogs. I think they're called. A myriad of content based upon micros. So of course I got to make sure you know about it. And they've actually started a new series, which I should say is kind of starting with me, as comfortable as that may seem. So I don't want to spoil it. I want you to go watch it. I think you should first start with the introduction video. I didn't say that very well, but there's a video that they made, and I think it's really well done and really funny and quirky and kind of oddballish too. I enjoyed it. I watched it 4 or 5, maybe 10 times. But so I think you need to watch that one, and then there'll be another video that I'm semi involved in that you should watch as well. So I'll put a card up in the corner or a card up in the corner, wherever the cards go, and I'll put a link down in the video description. Go on over there, click the subscribe button, click the bell so you know when they post stuff. I think you'll enjoy their content. You should definitely give them a shot. And it's a much different perspective than what you'll find here. You know, my racing style is kind of flat, whereas Heads especially is much more of a freestyler. Freestyler, I can't talk this evening, and an OG is an actual racer, someone who's actually fast. So if you think that I can fly fast, go watch OG. Maybe even catch some of. I think they had some racing vlogs on there. But so if not, know that you're watching a really good freestyler in micros and a really good micro racer. So way better than what I could do in either capacity. So go ahead, click those links wherever they are, and go over, subscribe, hit the bell, watch their content, and have a little fun while you're doing it. No questions, no comments tonight. Just go click those links. Go ahead. Yeah, click them. They're got to be through the Saturday Night Live thing to get you to click the links wherever they are. All right. See ya.